Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play two players on Call of Duty Black Ops 6. First, ensure your PlayStation 4 console is powered on and connected to your television. Then, navigate to the game icon on your PS4 dashboard and launch Call of Duty Black Ops 6. Allow the game to fully load to the main menu screen. This initial step is crucial for setting up your local multiplayer experience. Once the game is at the main menu, connect your second PlayStation 4 controller. After connecting, the game will prompt the second player to log in. They can use an existing PlayStation Network account or select the option to play as a guest. This action typically activates the split-screen functionality, allowing both players to navigate the menus together. With both players logged in, navigate to the game modes. You must select a mode that explicitly supports local split-screen multiplayer. Typically, this includes options like local multiplayer versus bots or the popular zombies mode. Campaign mode usually does not support split-screen. Confirm your selection to proceed to the lobby setup. For the best experience, ensure both players have adequate space and a clear view of the screen. You can also adjust individual in-game settings, such as controller sensitivity and button layouts, for each player. Remember, split-screen gameplay often means a smaller view for each person, so communication is key. Enjoy playing Call of Duty Black Ops 6 together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.